Welcome to Tech Blueprint, a window that lets you know the latest technology news in the world. In today's surging technological wave, Huawei's name is like a tenacious ship, which still stands firm and moves forward even in the baptism of storms. Since the moment it was included in the Entity List by the United States in May 2019, Huawei has begun its magnificent journey of self-reliance. During that time, Huawei's overseas smartphone market encountered an unprecedented crisis. The lack of Google services, like a compass that has lost its direction, has deterred many users from Huawei phones. Qualcomm, a former partner, also had to interrupt its cooperation with Huawei under pressure from the United States. Ren Zhengfei once admitted that he had expected to continue to expand procurement, but he did not expect that the sudden change would disrupt all plans. However, Huawei did not succumb. On the contrary, they showed amazing resilience and determination in adversity. Huawei quickly launched a self-developed chip plan and replaced Qualcomm chips with Kirin chips, which not only stabilized the domestic market, but also won wide acclaim in the international market. Kirin chips, with their excellent performance and stable quality, have proved Huawei's strong strength in chip design. But the United States did not stop there. They took action again and banned TSMC from manufacturing chips for Huawei. This move almost cut off all sources of Huawei chips, putting Huawei in a precarious situation. However, at this critical moment, the United States unexpectedly relented and agreed to resume some chip supply. Behind this change, is it a subtle change in the United States' attitude towards Huawei, or is it a consideration of its own interests? Perhaps both. The United States wants to get a share of Huawei's orders and benefit from Huawei's 5G technology. But at the same time, they don't want to see Huawei's rise, and hope to restrict Huawei's development in this way. Ren Zhengfei saw this wishful thinking of the United States clearly. He responded to the United States' approach with 3 sentences. Huawei can survive without mobile phones. Huawei's 5G technology is 2 or 3 years ahead of the world. Huawei has no hope for the outside world. Peace is fought for, and China's goal is to dominate the world. These 3 sentences not only show Ren Zhengfei's ambitions, but also reveal Huawei's firm belief and development direction. Huawei's strength in the 5G field has amazed the world. At the MWC conference, Huawei showcased 10 new 5G solutions, each of which represents the highest level in the industry. These technological breakthroughs not only highlight Huawei's leading position in the 5G field, but also further widen the gap with its competitors. At the same time, the Open RAN technology launched by the United States has been neglected by the market. Many European countries have reservations about Open RAN technology, believing that it has many problems and risks. And Dish, the American Open RAN technology provider that was originally highly expected, has also fallen into trouble, and its revenue has continued to decline. All this proves that Huawei is irreplaceable in the 5G field. In the international market, Huawei's performance is getting more and more dazzling. Not only have they won a number of international technology innovation awards in succession, but they have also won the first place in the global telecommunications equipment market. The market share far exceeds that of competitors such as Nokia and Ericsson. These competitors, who should have been the biggest beneficiaries of the US suppression of Huawei, are now busy laying off employees to cope with difficulties. Today's Huawei is like the shabby Illinois II-attack aircraft. Although it has gone through hardships, it still insists on flying in the vast sky. Their story tells China a profound truth. Only by relying on self-reliance and continuous innovation can China remain invincible in the fierce international competition. #Deep Good articles plan #Looking to the future. Huawei will continue to work hard on chip research and development and 5G technology. They will not only launch more chip products with better performance, but also further improve 5G solutions to provide better network services for global users. At the same time, Huawei will also actively expand the international market and cooperate with more countries and regions to jointly promote the development and application of global 5G technology. In this era full of challenges and opportunities, Huawei has proved the strength and potential of Chinese companies to the world with its perseverance and unremitting efforts. They are not only the pride of Chinese science and technology, but also an important force in the development of global science and technology.